Hello! Today is my last day of being 18. However, when this video comes out, it'll most likely be after my birthday because my birthday is on the 10th of September and this video is scheduled for the 11th. However, when I'm filming this is my last day of being 18. And we're gonna try and bake myself a really nice Victoria sponge cake. I have no idea how this is gonna go. I'm gonna milk it for content anyway. So yeah, let's just get into it, shall we?
It's a beautiful day to feel fine.
I'm using a recipe from a blog called The Gluten-Free Cup of Tea. I'm gonna link it down below. But yeah, we're just gonna try this out. I've not even read the recipe yet. So if this is chaos, I'm so sorry. It'll hopefully be entertaining. It's very gloomy outside, so enjoy the beautiful lighting. We got our cake tins. Let's grease them and cut a single... You need parchment paper? I don't even have parchment. I'm greasing this after. Let's start with the batter. We don't have a large mixing bowl, but how about 4 medium-sized bowls? Let's go. Let's go. Man, you have to scroll so much. There has to be a better way for this. How far do I need to scroll? Oh my god. 225 grams. It's already going great. It's already going great, guys. We're just gonna attempt to scoop some back into the pack. Does it have markings? It does, but not very good. I'm gonna soften that really quick in the microwave, which I never use, so this is gonna be fun. This is a bit sketchy, but we're gonna make it work. Oh, that's never gonna fit. Okay, we're just gonna have to improvise a little bit. Delicious. As you can tell, I'm not the baking mastermind or something. 1 teaspoon. That's a teaspoon. What is a tis? I'm so confused. A TSP. Is that a table or a spoon? Okay, that's a teaspoon. Okay, that's what I thought, but just checking. Just throw it in there. That doesn't look half bad. Wait, that's good. Oh, I'm so good at this. If it's inedible, at least it'll look nice for the pictures. Macaroni in a pot. And now we're gonna get out the real star of the show, which is the whisk. Say hi to my little mini whisk. It's just a shitpost of a cake, honestly. See, I have this bowl, but I don't know if that's gonna hold all of that. Ooh, that's satisfying. I have never used this oven before. Hello? How do I set it? We're Googling it, guys. Is it doing something? Oh wait, it's coming down. Great, that works. My god, guys, I'm a kitchen wonder. Oh my god, my book just went live. Did both of them go live? Only the standard? Wait, no, you can't just drop that on me. Let's grease the pans. Is that even gonna be? That's not working very well. That's not gonna. How's this enough for 1 cake? Are you insane? That's the thinnest cake I've ever seen. That's just sad. F it. Change of plans. I'm just gonna make 1 big one and cut it in half. I think that's smarter. So I'm back. I had to go and market the book really quickly. I'm back now. I had the cake cool down a little bit. It's still pretty hot. She's thick. I'm gonna admit I'm kind of lost, because it's just a lot happening right now. And we're gonna work on the buttercream. Insane multitask. Oh, look at that! Oh my god. I've done worse. It's gonna be really good once it's done. I trust in it. Oh my god, what am I doing? It's whatever. We're just gonna do whatever seems right. Macaroni in a pot. Half a teaspoon there. Half a teaspoon there. Look at that! Oh, that's not. She's a bit weak. That's not good. I don't care. We're gonna make it work. Start with some buttercream, I guess. Bruh, am I weak? It's just not moving. Oh my god. I got it open. Okay, great. Okay, I didn't really think this part through. How does the thing says we should do do that because there's probably a method I'm not seeing. Okay, jam before buttercream. Yeah, that's probably smart, but it's a little bit too late for that now, so. Gordon Ramsay is screaming, but I'm sorry. I'm trying my best, dude. The funniest part is that I'm actually trying really hard right now. I mean, it's not the aesthetic cake I wanted, but it does look kind of cute. If you're watching this video and you think, oh my god, that cake looks so bad, don't comment it, thank you, because I'm genuinely trying. No, I can't do this. Wait, it's looking not bad. The worst part is that this is a genuine attempt. Should we do 19 or should we B-Day or should we do existence is not gonna fit for sure. Existence, barely, maybe. I really want to though. Okay, we're gonna try. It looks so bad, but it's probably gonna be good, don't worry. This cake is so memeable. Existence is spelled wrong. No, did I spell existence wrong? I think I spelled it. Yeah, it's an E, not an A. Wait, why is that? Why am I such a good problem solver? I mean, candles fix everything, right? No, I'm most likely gonna do like a 1, 2, 3. That's where I'm gonna leave it for today. You'll see it tomorrow. Cake making is hard. Jesus, I have a whole new respect for like cake makers. Anyways, I'm just gonna cut to the shots of me eating the cake now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe because all of those would really help me out on my YouTube journey. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, even though I suck at making cakes. Maybe next year will be better. 18-year-old Sabrina out.